Navigating the vast array of products may seem like a puzzle, but fear not. We've meticulously selected the 6 best options. For a deep dive into features and current pricing, peruse the description. Cuckoo CR-0675F. The Cuckoo Micom CR-0675 has intelligent microcomputer processing, which is able to adjust the cooking temperature and time depending on the volume, type of grain, desired texture, or flavor. This takes the guesswork out of cooking and allows you to relax and enjoy consistent results each time. However, that's just a small part of what this rice cooker can do. With its impressive 13 cooking settings, the Cuckoo CR-0675F gives any cooker a run for its money. Remember the GABA setting we covered earlier? This rice cooker can do that too, giving your brown rice the attention it needs. Plus, you can use it to serve up to 12 cups of cooked grain, making it ideal for small gatherings. Since you're probably already wondering how much it's all going to cost you, we'll give you a heads up. To our surprise, the cooker now sells for as little as $109.99. Now add the self-cleaning feature and the beautiful touchscreen display, and you've got yourself a steal. COSORI. This 5-liter rice cooker comes with multiple functions that easily justify a permanent spot on the counter. Among them are specific presets for rice and grains, slow cooking, sauté, steam, jam, sauce, and cake, plus keep warm and delay start settings. A rice paddle, ladle, measuring cup, and 3-liter steam basket are also included. The manual and quick start guide are both clearly written. Although some of the units in the cooking chart are overly complicated, for example, to cook long-grain white rice, it advises adding 1 3/16 cups of water. We had no issues navigating the controls. It hummed quietly while it was cooking, beeping for around 15 seconds when the rice was done. We cooked short-grain white rice first for around half an hour, and the texture was good, light, fluffy, and soft. Our brown rice was similar, but with a little more bite. MOOSUM. Elevate your culinary experience with the MOOSUM electric rice cooker, tailored for perfect Asian and Japanese sushi rice with just one touch. This versatile appliance accommodates 5 cups of uncooked rice, yielding 10 cups of flawlessly cooked rice, ensuring an ideal serving size for family meals or gatherings. Crafted with a sleek stainless steel housing, the MOOSUM rice cooker not only delivers fast and convenient cooking, but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. The user-friendly one-touch operation simplifies the cooking process, while the integrated steamer function expands your culinary possibilities. Equipped with an auto-warmer feature, this rice cooker keeps your rice at the optimal temperature until you're ready to serve. Enjoy the convenience and precision of the MOOSUM electric rice cooker, designed to make every rice dish a masterpiece with its efficient technology and stylish design. MOOSUM Stone. The MOOSUM Stone electric multi-cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that will revolutionize your cooking experience. With 10 pre-programmed settings, you can easily cook a variety of dishes, including brown and white rice, pasta, slow-cooked chicken, steamed vegetables, fish, yogurt with berries, and even cakes. Made of BPA non-toxic materials, this multi-cooker is environmentally friendly and safe to use. It saves you valuable time by allowing you to cook multiple items simultaneously, such as rice and steamed vegetables. The non-stick pots is easy to clean, and the large LCD display makes it easy to control and monitor your cooking progress. With top-grade quality and excellent customer support, the MOOSUM Stone electric multi-cooker is a must-have for any kitchen. The MOOSUM Stone electric multi-cooker is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance that offers a wide range of cooking options. Whether you want to cook rice, steam vegetable, or make yogurt, this multi-cooker has got you covered. Its sleek designs and user-friendly features make it a great addition to any kitchen. Although there may be some minor drawbacks, such as the instructions and misrepresented capacity, the MOOSUM Stone electric multi-cooker is a reliable and versatile appliance that will make your cooking experience more convenient and enjoyable. AROMA RC7606GR. Boasting easy-to-use, programmable digital controls, this kitchen marvel includes an automatic warm mode. With functions like white rice, multigrain, steam, oatmeal, porridge, and soup, it's a versatile addition to your kitchen. The 15-hour delay timer allows for flexible meals planning, making it ideal for hearty breakfasts, soups, stews, jambalaya, chili, and more. The package includes a rice measuring cup, soup ladle, steam tray, serving spatula, and a premium non-stick inner pot, featuring a 2 mm thick heavy-duty iron construction for balanced heat distribution and retention. The easy-to-clean non-stick coating adds convenience. The advanced 360-degree induction heating technology with dual temperature sensors and a heat-retaining stainless steel lid ensures balanced, efficient cooking. Cuchen CRS-FWK0640WUS. The Cuchen CRS-FWK0640WUS Rice cooker is a versatile and multifunctional kitchen appliance that is perfect for growing families. With a 6-cup capacity, this rice cooker offers 10 menu options, including 5 pressure menus and 5 non-pressure menus. Cooking with high pressure results in deliciously sticky, glutinous rice, while cooking without pressure yields unbelievably fluffy rice. The easy open handle allows for quick pressure release and opening. The triple power packing effectively seals any steam leakage, ensuring a safe and efficient cooking experience. The stainless steel detachable cover and diking coated inner pot make cleaning a breeze. With its advanced functionality and high power efficiency, this rice cooker is a must-have for any kitchen. Innovative auto steam clean technology takes the hassle out of cleanup, ensuring your cooker stays pristine after each use. The contemporary white design adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. Elevate your culinary experience with the Cuchen CRS-FWK0640WUS, where precision, convenience, and style converge for the perfect rice cooking solution. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get instant notification of our new videos.